Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m divided by 7 is equals to m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solved this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, here we need to remove this fraction from left hand side. So for this we need to multiply both of the sides by 7. And when we multiply each of these terms on both of the sides by 7, it will be written as 7 multiplied by m divided by 7 is equals to 7 multiplied by m. And further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and you see here this 7 and this 7 are gone, and we get here our m is equals to, this is 7 times of m. And further in the next step, we move all the variable terms to the right hand side, and we obtain this is positive m. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common m from here, and when we take common m, we get the remaining values are 7 minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further we have, this is m times of 7 minus 1 becomes 6 is equals to 0. And here, because our target is to find the values of m, so for this we need to remove this 6 from here. So that's why we divide both of the sides by 6. When we divide each of these terms by 6, it will be written as in this form. And further in the next step, we have this 6 and this 6 are gone, and we obtain here our m is equals to, this is 0 divided by 6, and 0 divided by 6 is equals to 0. So this shows that the value of m is equals to 0. So in the first method, we will get only one value of m, and that is 0. But in the next step, we need to verify that which of the value are solution and which of the value are extraneous root. And now at the last, I can explain the difference between solution and extraneous root. So further, for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by 7 is equals to m. And now here we substitute the above value of m is equals to 0 on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as 0 divided by 7 is equals to 0. And this implies that 0 divided by 7 becomes 0 equals to 0. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of m is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that the solution set of this problem is m equals to 0. So m equals to 0 be the only one solution of the given equation which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step, we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by 7 is equals to m. This is the our given question statement, and here in the second method we use the LCM technique to solve this problem. For this, we move this m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as minus m is equals to 0. And now here, in order to take the LCM of these terms, we first need to make the denominator of both of these two terms are same. So in order to make the denominator are same, we just multiply and divide this term by 7. And after multiply and divide by 7, it will becomes here in this form. And now in the next step, we easily take the LCM of this term becomes 7. So this 7 and this 7 are gone, and we get here m minus this 7 and this 7 are also gone, and we get here 7m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And Further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is m minus 7m becomes minus 6m divided by 7 is equals to 0. And in the next step, further you see here, for the values of m, we need to move this 7 to the right hand side, and when we move the 7 to the right hand side, it will be written as minus 6m is equals to 0 multiplied by 7. And further in the next step we have 0, when we multiply 0 with any other number, it will always get answer is 0. So we obtain here minus 6m is equals to 0 times of 7 becomes 0. And now here we divide both of the sides by minus 6 for the values of m. And when we divide by minus 6, it will be written as 0 divided by minus 6. So this minus 6 and this minus 6 are gone. And we get here our m is equals to 0 divided by minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the final value of m which we get here in the second method, and on both of these two methods we get the same value of m. And in the first method we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that m equals to 0 be the only one solution of the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.